This is about Jesus healing the people.
He still blesses people today. Remember to say thank you.
It was a beautiful, warm, sunny day, and Jesus was riding his brand new bicycle through the neighborhoods as he normally had. Only this time, as he cruised, he heard a terrible, awful, disgusting sound.
No movies, no pool, no school, no church. They kick us out everywhere we go. Restaurants we're supposed to stay in. At our house, we're stuck in quarantine. This is just not right. Like, what's happening? I can't taste or smell anything.
Wait a minute. I know that guy. That's Jesus. He can help us. Jesus. Jesus, help. Help us. Stop. Jesus, stop. I need your help. All of us are sick with corona. We need your help. We need you to heal us.
So Jesus got off of his bicycle, hit the kickstand, and shuffled on over to the yard, where he saw a crowd of people who had been quarantined and shunned by society because of the Rona, writhing around in despair. So he moved compassionately through the crowd and one by one healed them and spoke life and spoke the healing word over each one of them. And one by one they begin to feel the life coming back into their bones. After they were healed, Jesus told them to go get a test to make sure that they were clean and to prove the word was true that Jesus had spoken over them. So one by one, the crowd lined up to go get the coronavirus test, to have their noses swabbed again. Only this time, it was different. They felt different. They acted different. And they got a different result, which was clean and healthy.
Yeah! Yay! Yay! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Finally, after the last one had received the negative result, they all ran off, except for one.
Wait a minute! I forgot to thank Jesus! I gotta go! Jesus! Wait! Jesus! Thanks for healing us all!
Jesus was relaxing under a tree, and he asked, "Were there not 10 of you? Where are the others?"
Yeah, there was, but they left. I don't know where they went.
Go in peace and be healed.
Thank you, bye!
She ran off, proclaiming, "Jesus is my healer."